Now let us talk on starch. Starch is a carbohydrate. Starch is found in our food. It is a complex sugar. It is a complex sugar means so many glucose molecules arranged together to make a polymer which is called starch. It is found in food, in flour, any food which is made from flour. For example, noodles, bread, all these. Now we have rice made of flour, and rice made up of starch, sorry. And it is a complex sugar. Because it is complex, it is tasteless. It does not have taste. Tasteless. Tasteless. It is odorless, tasteless, and it is white. It is white in color. Okay. Now, this is starch. Now, it is a complex sugar. It is made up of units of glucose. So many glucose molecules combine together to make starch. We eat starch. We eat starch, we eat flour, we eat bread, we eat noodle to get carbohydrate, to get sugar, to get glucose in our body. Now, it is broken down. We call it chemical digestion. Chemical digestion means in our alimentary canal, we have important molecules that we name enzymes. Right? This enzyme, the name of this enzyme is amylase. Amylase enzyme will undergo chemical reaction and will break down starch into glucose. Why? Because starch cannot pass in our blood. Because to get in our blood, this is a small intestine. To get in our blood, it has to be absorbed to pass through the wall of capillary. This is capillary. It is very tiny. So it should be tiny. It's a complex molecule, so it cannot diffuse in our blood. So it has to be broken down, chemical digestion, into its tiniest form. So that it can be absorbed. So this is all about starch. Now, where starch is found in nature, it is found only in plants. Only in plants. Starch is not found in animals. Starch is not found in animals. We don't have starch in animals. We have starch in plants. Where in the plants? In the grains, in the seeds, in the leaves, in the fruits, we have starch. Okay? Now, what is the test for starch? Test for starch. Now, this is iodine solution. Okay, we are going to test starch with iodine solution. This is a little flour or rice. No, it is rice. Okay, little rice. This is potato, and this is protein powder, and this is sugar. Now we are going to see how iodine, we use it to test for starch and not for sugar and protein. Let's do the test. Now, what is the color of iodine solution? Let's see this. Iodine solution is yellowish brown. Can you see it? It is yellowish brown. Okay, this is the color of iodine solution. When we put in rice, the rice becomes blue black. When we put on potato, it becomes blue black. Okay, now when we put on sugar, there is no color change. When we put on protein, there is no color change. Okay, there's color change only for rice and starch. For these two, we don't have.